Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, does Novo Bank accept mobile deposit? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to give you a definitive answer. Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of mobile banking. Mobile banking is a great way to manage your finances on the go. It allows you to check your balance, transfer money, and pay bills from anywhere in the world. If you're looking for a bank that offers mobile banking, Novo Bank is a great option. So, does Novo Bank accept mobile deposit? The answer is yes. Novo Bank offers mobile deposit through their app. To use mobile deposit, you'll need to download the Novo Bank app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have the app installed, you'll need to create an account. Once you have an account, you can start using mobile deposit. To deposit a check using mobile deposit, you'll need to take a picture of the front and back of the check. Once you've taken the pictures, you'll need to enter the amount of the check. Once you've entered the amount, you'll need to submit the deposit. The deposit will then be processed and credited to your account. Benefits of using mobile deposit. There are a number of benefits to using mobile deposit. It's convenient. You can deposit checks from anywhere in the world, at any time. It's fast. Deposits are typically processed within a few days. It's secure. Novo Bank uses advanced security measures to protect your information. If you're looking for a bank that offers mobile deposit, Novo Bank is a great option. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions about mobile deposit, please leave a comment below. I would also love to hear from you if you have any other questions about Novo Bank. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.